Transform your outdoor space. Garden patio design, backyard plants and garden decoration ideas. Welcome to our channel. In this video we will explore how to elevate your outdoor space with inspiring garden patio design ideas. Backyard plants and creating a garden decoration ideas. Whether you have a sparkling backyard or a cozy patio, we have tips and tricks to help you create a beautiful and inviting outdoor guest. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 90 Addiction. So if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon in this video. Share to your friends and family members. Garden patio design. When it comes to decor garden design, consider the layout and functionality of your space being by defining different zones for lounging, dining and entertaining. Now grab comfortable seating options with this garden patio design backyard plant. Garden decoration ideas. You can transform your outdoor space into a stunning sanctuary for relaxation and enjoyment. Whether you are hosting gatherings with your friends and simplify unwinding after a long day, a well-designed garden can enhance your quality of life and connect you with nature. Stay tuned for more tips and inspiration of our channel, and don't forget like, comment, share, subscribe for nature ideas and future updates. Garden decoration ideas. Elevate the style of your outdoor space with creating garden decoration ideas that reflects your personality and interest. Craft garden art and sculptures to add visually interested and visually your landscape. Upcycle old materials into garden decor projects such as repurposed panels, tires and containers for a suitable and unique touch. So if you are new here, kindly like the video, or if you like these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. This video share to your friends and family members. Embrace a seasonal decoration by crafting themed accents like wreaths, ornaments and holiday light, adding a feature flair of your garden throughout the year. Create focal points with ornamental trees, water features, ornament, planters, drying and oil, and creating a visually interested, balanced decorative elements with functional elements, ensuring that your garden remains both beautiful and practical. With these ideas, so please like the video and click the subscribe and comment and subscribe. Don't forget updates. Thanks for watching.